Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. iOS 14.6 Beta 2 is out now. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install iOS 14.6 Beta 2 on your iPhone and iPad, even on iPhone 6 to iPhone 12. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, connect to Wi-Fi and launch Safari browser and search for beta profiles. And we have to tap on first link. After loading the page, there is iOS 14.6 Beta 2 and we have to tap on download profile. And we have to tap on download anyways. After that, a pop-up window will appear and we have to tap on allow. Let me try again. Yes, this website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? Yes, we have to tap on allow. Profile downloaded. Review the profile in setting app. If you want to install it, tap close. Now we have to go to settings. Profile downloaded. iOS 14 beta software profile, tap install. iPhone passcode required. Tap install again. And if you want to restart, tap on restart. Otherwise, tap not now and tap done. Now go back to settings and general and tap software update. Here we go. iOS 14.6 developer beta 2 3.64 GB. This beta version of iOS 4.6 contain bug fixes and improvement, and we have to tap on download and install to get iOS 14.6 beta 2. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.